Welcome back. The location I'm in right now is somewhere where I've wanted to come for such a long time. I'm right on the border of India and Pakistan. I'm at a ceremony which takes place every single evening here. It's a border ceremony between India and Pakistan, and it's a bit like a football match. I've got my Indian tricolour on, and I'm ready to go inside now. I'm just outside. This ceremony is quite something special. I think we're going to enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it too. It's also known as the beating of the retreat, change of the guard. Let's go inside. This should be fun. Just at the moment, all the women and children are over in the middle having a big celebration. The Wagah border ceremony has been going on since 1959. Every single night at sunset. It's very loud in here. Just to show you on the other side. And on the other side of them gates is Pakistan. There was a cricket match yesterday between the two countries. Yeah. There's only 5 border crossing points between India and Pakistan on the other side there. On the other side, not far away at all, is the city of Lahore. I saw you!
वो पुल पे यहाँ हमारा उधर
आपसे दर्शकों से निवेदन है कृपया प्रेरित समाप्ति तक सभी दर्शक अपना स्थान पर बने रहें।
Okay, I've just been dropped back at my hotel. The actual, my battery in my camera actually ran out just as I was leaving the ceremony, so it was a bit of luck, I suppose. They wouldn't let me take in an extra spare battery. The security is very high there, which is understandable. So the gates are closed, the border's shut. It was a fantastic experience, really lived up to expectations, really loved it. It was great fun, brilliant, so loud. It was, as I say, it was a bit like a football match. Absolutely fantastic. Right, okay, back at the hotel. I'm going to pop in, have a shower, something to eat, and I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.